Coming back to formal writing, let's look at the different things that we write as formal writing. So letter is going to be the first one. When we are writing a formal letter, as I discussed in formal writing, we must address the person to whom we are writing the letter with the title and the name or the surname as it is required. And also when we end the letter, which is a formal letter, we need to have some phrases like with best wishes or best regards or warm wishes or yours sincerely, and then put our name over there when it is formal writing of a letter. Usually letters are formal when we write these letters to companies or to our professional managers, to our professional seniors, our teachers. A formal letter can also be written to your doctor or somebody in the family with whom you have usually a distance of probably respect or any other reason, and you try to be very formal. There also you need to use the same ways of writing the title and greetings and wishing as I told you before. But also we have to look at the main content of the formal letter. In the main content of the formal letter, we cannot add things which are unnecessary. We need to remain in the limits of the issue that we are talking about, and we do not go here or there to explain it. Rather, we try to give the facts so that the understanding is developed according to what is being demanded by the writer. So when the students are writing a formal letter, the teacher needs to give them some outline of a formal letter, along with the instructions that unnecessary details need not be included in a formal letter. The outline of a formal letter, as it is, would be having the three main paragraphs: the beginning and the middle paragraph, and then the last paragraph, that is the third paragraph. And of course, as I said before, it will be having a title to address to whom the letter is being written, and then ending by the writer who's writing the letter sending some good wishes in a very formal manner. The formal manner should be according to the relationship that the letter writer is having with the person to whom he is writing the letter. So the students must be made aware of the fact that the respect level or the relationship or the type of relation they have with whom they are writing the letter to must be maintained in all the three paragraphs. And the words that they use should be given in some column for the students to get help from. Also, the wishes like best wishes, best regards, kind regards, these type of phrases can be given in a column or on the screen or on the board or on the charts for the students to have a look at that and then develop the letter writing of a formal letter. Also, when the outline is given, most of the things that are written in the paragraph should be just relevant to the issue on which the letter is being written. For example, if a student is writing a letter to the examination body and he wants to request that he wants to look at his paper because he thinks the marks are not the ones that could be considered by him to be genuine ones. So he has to be very respectful in that, because he is actually questioning a body which is at a much higher level than his. But he has a right to question them, but he has to be very formal in that, and he does not have to include any unnecessary details, and he has to be just to the point. It has to be very precise. It cannot have very long discussions or details on the letter, but it should say that he wants his paper to be rechecked, and for this he is requesting that the body should look at his paper.